Hi guys, I'm Kreena and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty, nail art and a lot more categories. And if you already like what you see, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification every time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to take you through my entire day, so you're going to get a sneak peek into a day in my life. So it's 9:30 in the morning and I have to leave home at 10 o'clock to reach work at 11 because it takes me approximately an hour to get to work. And basically I just take a shower at night, so literally right now I just have to wear my clothes and put on some makeup and that's it. Okay, so I have worn my clothes and now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of makeup because I am running a little late. And so I'm just gonna use some eyeshadow from Smashbox. And I really love these colors, and this is literally just all I need on a daily basis. So I'm just gonna take this like light glittery pink and apply a little bit of that. And I'm just gonna apply the darker shades, this maroonish and this orangish rest on the edges. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara. Now I'm just gonna apply this lipstick. It's from Nykaa and it's their liquid lipstick in the shade Janvi. Okay, and now just some powder, the L'Oreal True Match. And that's it. This is literally all I do on a day-to-day basis, and at times I don't even wear any makeup. But now I'm just gonna go pick up my bag, get my food, and we're out. So as you guys saw, I pack so much food on a day-to-day basis because I need to eat every few hours. But now I just got a cab and now I'm headed to the train station. बस आगे साइड पे रोक देना. कितना हुआ?
45.
Now I'm off the train and now it's time to take a rickshaw. So after using majority of the public transport options available in Bombay, I have finally made it to work. I mean, this is literally what I do on a day-to-day basis. And as for the rickshaw, I take a sharing rickshaw because it's much cheaper and it doesn't really make a difference to me if two more people are sitting in the same vehicle with me. So basically I work at Hotterfly and I create content. So basically I'm a video producer where I make videos for like lifestyle, nail art, DIY, fashion styling, fitness, and a lot of other categories. And when it comes to writing articles, I write about a lot of lifestyle stuff like hack videos and fitness stuff. And so on the days where I am shooting, I would write 1 article a day, and the days where I'm not shooting, I would write 2 articles a day. But yeah, so it's a pretty chill workplace. Let me show you the studio. So basically this is the studio, and we have a white wall, a green wall for the green screen, a brick wall, and they've just put up this black fabric for a shoot. And these are the edit rooms where they basically edit all our videos. And I think one of my video is being edited right now. It's my video for Nestle.
क्या हेडफोन है तुम लोग का? मतलब थोड़ा
Show me the headphones, Shit.
What a video company.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you one of the coolest things about my work. That the mall is connected internally from my office building. So I'll show you how it works. So right behind me is the food court, and this is perfect for those days when I don't bring lunch. I can literally just walk here and eat lunch. I just went to get some tea from Chayo's. They have the best tea, and now I'm just going back to work. So I'm done with work. It is 5 o'clock and I got done pretty early, and I did not eat half the food that I had gotten with me, but it's fine. I'll go home and eat it. But yeah, I'll reach home around 6 o'clock and I'm gonna go by rickshaw to the station. So right now I'm just waiting at the train station for the train, and usually I end up watching Big Boss, or I watch some kind of Netflix show or movie or something, and I download it because on the train you don't really get network here. But yeah, my train's here. Okay, so I'm back home again, and now I'm just gonna get changed to go for my run. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do a few stretches and I'm just gonna head out. So I'm gonna start my run from here, right diagonal to Pizza by the Bay, and I usually end up taking the train to Churchgate, and I walk all the way here to where the main Marine Drive, the footpath is, and this is where I usually start running from, and I'll be running all the way down to the end of Marine Drive, which is where Trident is, and then I'll be running all the way back to Churney Road where Bachelor's is, and that usually takes me around half an hour to run. It's around a little over 4 kilometers, but yeah, let's do this. Finally ran 4 kilometers and it took me half an hour. I started at 7:30 and it's 8 o'clock. Whew, do you see the sweat? And let's go home. Okay, so I've just reached home now and I feel so happy and so energized, and this is exactly why I run, because I get this really nice feeling. I don't know how to describe this, but it's like happy energy, and I just love running, and especially on Marine Drive when it's nice and cool and like it's windy, and towards the end it was pretty windy. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna go eat something, and I will be watching Big Boss at around 9 o'clock. And here's a fun fact: I am obsessed with Big Boss. I've been watching it since 6 to 7 years, and a lot of people will judge, saying that it's violent and people are just abusing and all that stuff, and which is true. I'm not gonna deny that it is true. But for me personally, I just love observing people. I love seeing how people change based on situations and like different kind of environments. But yeah, I'm super obsessed, and if you are following Big Boss, please comment below because I would love to talk to you about it. But yeah, let's go eat.
दीपक, आप मेरे कॉफी साफ करिए प्लीज और मेरे लिए एक अच्छी सी चाय बनाइए। लेकिन कोई और मदद नहीं करेगा।
So I'm done watching Big Boss and I've already had my dinner, as you saw, and now I'm just gonna go shower and then go to sleep. So this has basically been my routine for entire 2018, ever since I started working, and especially since the past 3 months that Big Boss started. And my entire routine is going to change for 2019 because I have quit my job, and this Friday is my last day, and Big Boss also ends on Sunday, and the new year is on Tuesday. But yeah, I'm super excited for 2019 because I have decided to work on YouTube full time, and this year is going to change a lot of things for me, so I'm super excited about that. But I'll tell you more about all of that later. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.